We are live, ladies and gentlemen. The sold out T-Mobile Arena.
Welcome back. We got a real nice recipe. You know how every now and again I put out a really good recipe, but then I get hardly any views because YouTube don't like me? This is one of those days. Start off with, well, let's talk about what we're making today. Chipotle chicken, tacos, which could be cheesy, they could not be. Haven't really decided yet.
Cheesy they will be then, I guess.
Alright, so I'm gonna go with this brand here. I can get it in Korea, that's why I've gone for it. It's also pretty nice. You guys can use whichever one you feel like using, but yeah. Let's go straight in there. I'm gonna throw in 1 garlic, squeeze of half a lemon. I'm gonna go some ground cumin, a little bit of black pepper, and a little bit of salt. I've got some coriander here. We're gonna take the stalks, put them in there, and then we're gonna keep the leaves for later. Yes! Wow. You know that moment you realize that you should have used a food processor with a lid on it? That's that moment.
That was that moment.
I even got the money shot at some point. Whew. Alright, so now we got our little marinade. Give it a taste. That's what Jamie Oliver does when he tastes stuff. Alright, now we're gonna color chicken up. So we're gonna go for like nice little slices, like this.
I dare you to lick one of those chicken breasts.
I would live, dude. I went straight in the marinade. Now I'm cooking quite a bit of chicken. Reason being, me and Emil are hungry boys. Ain't that right, Emil?
Oh yeah.
And to give it the old mixeroo. Now it would be like super nice if you marinated this overnight. And I would say that like, that's what I'm gonna do, but I'm not a liar. I'm just gonna use this straight up. We're heating up our grill back there. Now we're gonna make like a little, really nice slaw style thing. We're just gonna slice these tomatoes up, like that. Coriander leaves, just roughly chop them. Some fresh green chilies. Some spring onion. Bit of a game changer, this one. Pickled jalapenos. Lettuce leaves. Now we're just gonna dress this up with some fresh lemon juice, a little bit of salt, touch of chili powder. Alright, now we're gonna make a little garlic yogurt. Yeah, all good, all good. Going with some garlic, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of lemon in there. All good, baby, baby. It was all a dream. It's time to grill chicken. If you don't have a grill or like a barbecue or something, just use like a really hot pan.
You want that chicken has got some good colour on it.
You're a juggler or something. Just tell you, the colour of that chicken is fantastic.
You did a mug. That's all I have to say.
Quite nice to get like a little bit of colour on one side and no colour on the other. Yogurt on the bottom. Salad. All about the chicken. Just too much chicken.
Yeah, you're putting way too much chicken.
You don't get an opinion.
These
okay?
are tacos, not pizzas, Floyd.
Oh, I thought this was cheese.
Just to clarify, Floyd thought that udon noodles were cheese.
Alright, but like, have a look at this. You see like this at the back of your fridge, I was like, yeah, that's some grated mozzarella.
I would never ever think that.
That's grated mozzarella!
I thought he was going to grate udon noodles onto it.
We're gonna hit this up with some hot sauce. That's the bad boy.
Just remember, you're the one girl. You're getting hit up with a lot of flavours all at once. It's an explosion.
I don't even know what's going on anymore.
No, it's an absolute explosion of flavours.
You got like this crazy acidity, spice, freshness, garlic coming through.
Just mad flavours. Fantastic. Very healthy.
Packed with gains.
Beautiful. I would see anyone not liking that. So when life gives you lemons,
Put them in a taco.